Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about modules and Python. Well, in this tutorial we're going to talk about modules in Python. It's episode 5, I think, if I'm not mistaken. It's in the video though. It's in the thumbnail, so yeah. Episode 5 of our tutorial of Python. Alright, so let's just get into it here. But before we do that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure to share my videos. Alright, so here are the modules I'm talking about: import random and import math. So random and math is a standard module from Python, but these are not the only things. There's other modules, you guys can search it up. So let me explain what random and math is. So random, I think, it's pretty straightforward. I'll pick random things from what you want. Like random, in our case right now, is random numbers or random integers, while import math is basically importing math, pretty much, but probably not the whole thing of math, just like the basics of math, but probably have some other things also. So define random numbers, return random and random integers 1 until 10. Define square root number, return math square root out of number. So the one I use here is square root only, but I'm pretty sure there's other things also. So what are these for? Basically, if I run, well, it won't really work because there's nothing really, so we will use it here, main.python. So I think I didn't mention yet, for module, there's the one from Python and from ourselves, pretty much. So the one that I mean by ourselves is this, or pretty much this number as an or this one, the one we use, import number as an or. You can just use import number, but when you write the code down it will be long, so as I like it as just 2 letters and r number, or whatever you guys wrote down for your code, pretty much. Alright, so let's get into it. The first is the menu option. Here we make a simple, like, basic operation program here. So the header, welcome to basic operation program, print the lines, and the main content here: 1 is random number, 2 is square root, and 3 is exit. If you enter number 1, it will take you to random number, and number 2 will take you to square root, and if you click number 3 it will exit from the program. Okay, so sorry about that. So okay, this is the basic operation here. So I put the parameters, if you guys remember, from function here. It's the number has to be a integer, because just so if the user inputs a string or a text, I won't go in with error. So yes, so if number equals to 1, it will take them to the random number here, print the random numbers generated are and r.random number, or from here let's define random number. So importing module is so the code is shorter and looks better, because you already put it in another Python file, which will make it cleaner here and shorter also. So you just have to put random number because the program is already here. Return random integer 1 to 10. That's the thing for module, so it's just shorter and looks better, pretty much. So elif number 2. This one is taking you to the square root 1 here. Numeral equals the integer input. Input your number, because we're trying to find the square root of the number you pick, pretty much. Enter the number whose square root you want to find. So the results is a number, again here, square root. Number square root numeral, the one you put in. So it will print out square root of the numeral, the number you pick, is the results of before the comma 2f. So okay, so now let's jump into the main here. Define main while true. Menu option will just run. So from our the looping tutorial, you use while. So while it's true, many options will just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, pretty much. So enter equals the integer input, enter options 1, 2, or 3, pretty much. So if the users enter not equals to 3, it will run basic operation math, and it will print this is just as a spacing, pretty much. So if so pretty much else number 3, well, as 1 or 2, it will break or it will exit from the program. So and also if you want to do it like this, you have to have if name main, because that's the name of the file. Now I'm not sure if it works with other names, so if you want like a long program in your main thingy, just want to be more shorter, you have to have if the name is equals to main, it will run. So if it's not equals to main, it will not run, pretty much. So here, let's try our program here. So let's do 1 random number, enter option 1, boom. So the random numbers generated are 5 because it's random numbers. It's 1 until 10, pretty much. So it will look, it repeats, it loops, because we'll use while true many options, so it'll just go over and over and over again. So let's try square root. Let's do 25, and the square root should be 5. Square root of 25 is 5. And if we use a bad number here, like what, 8, 20, 28.64. And if you pick number 3, it's just gonna exit the program. So pretty much that's it. So pretty much that's all for this episode module. Pretty much module from Python and module from ourselves. Pretty much making module from ourselves. So that's pretty much it. If you guys want to write the whole code, you just pause the video here. It's here. You guys can copy here and here. You guys can pause the video here, and for the number here. So pretty much that's it for this tutorial. It's longer than the before tutorials because this is a bit longer than usual, the code. I really hope this is useful for you guys, the ones who's new to Python, and I hope you guys can learn something new from my video, and I do appreciate if you drop a like and subscribe again, and do share the video. So that's it pretty much from my video. I hope to see you in the next Python episode. So I'll see you later in the next episode. So goodbye, see you in the next Python episode. Stay tuned.